AvPro is proud to present this Challenger 350, serial number 20635. The Challenger 350 business jet exceeds expectations and reaches new heights in comfort and performance. With its groundbreaking cabin design, new range capability, and lowest in-class direct operating costs, no opportunity to advance on class-leading excellence has been overlooked. The outperforming Challenger 350 aircraft is earning the appreciation and approval of executives, pilots, and operators everywhere, offering more performance, definitive reliability, and unmatched value. Serial number 20635's stunning 10-passenger interior features a forward, fully equipped galley. The cabin seating consists of a 4-place club followed by an aft 3-place divan opposite a 2-place club. The aft passenger lavatory is belted for a 10th passenger. Connectivity and entertainment features include AirCell GoGo Biz with ATG 5000 Wi-Fi, as well as in-flight entertainment system with worldwide maps and audio cabin briefing. The Challenger 350, serial number 20635, presented exclusively by AvPro. AvPro, celebrating 30 years of excellence.